Solarium Enzel in Ebony. Leopards and Floral Outdoor fabric. Screen print in black, green, and tan on polyester. This Solarium Outdoor fabric from Richloom will withstand up to 500 hours of sunlight exposure. Resist stains, is water resistant, and has 10,000 double rub rating. Perfect fabric for porches, patios, deck side, pool side, and boat side. Create toss pillows, cushions, upholstery, and great for tabletop, tote bags, and more. To maintain the life of the fabric, bring indoors when not in use. Clean by wiping down the fabric or hand washing with warm water in a mild soap solution. Simply rinse with clear water to prevent dirt from embedding itself into the fabric. Discount designer price per yard, limited quantity at schindlersfabrics.com, Schindler's Upholstery Fabric Shop Incorporated in Cleveland, Ohio.